Various magnet strengths are available for the Rondo. To replace the magnet, remove the battery pack from the control unit by first unlocking the Rondo. To unlock the Rondo, use your fingernail to push the release lever down while sliding the switch to the unlock position at right. Unlocking the Rondo allows you to lift up the battery pack. Once the battery pack has been removed, unlock the magnet by rotating till the arrow meets the unlock sign. Replace the magnet and rotate it back to the lock sign. There are 4 different strengths of magnet: soft, standard, strong, as well as an optional super strong magnet strength. Your audiologist will help you to select the right one. To reattach the battery pack once the magnet has been changed, use the gently landing airplane method. The battery pack should come in at a slight angle against the backside of the control unit before being gently pressed towards the control unit. Once at rest, move the switch toward the left to lock. Assure that the switch is in the unlock position when attaching the battery pack.